cafe racer. Tapos gusto ko to eh. Nakita ko na yung orange. Maganda rin naman. Yan o. Bigat. Bigat. Okay, so I have my Motorstar cafe400. So I just gassed up. So far, if you can see, I have 4 kilometers done. So let's see. I'm so excited about it. But this is my first time to ride a manual transmission motorcycle. So let's see. Okay. Yeah, expressway, man, expressway. So happy. Motorstar cafe racer. Yeah, expressway, first time on a motorcycle. Yeah. It's so good. On an expressway. Woo! So happy. I'm so happy. Yeah. Okay, so I'm in Congressional Avenue right now. So still Motorstar cafe400 I'm driving. So again, this is the first time I'm riding a manual transmission, and at the same time this is first time I ride a 400cc motorcycle. The first time I ride it in expressway earlier, and somehow it's nerve-wracking because, you know, everything on the road is really intimidating. So this is a test to how far I can get with the motorcycle. I almost got hurt there. So far, yeah, I'm surviving. I'm making a slow pace to ensure, you know, I don't get, you know, I don't rush and be safe on the road. But so far everything is fine. Manual transmission isn't easy, so I just discovered that today, because it could be some confusion about, you know, the downshifting and upshifting. So there was a time I pushed the lever down instead of up to for an upshift, which you know, good thing I'm not driving too high. So other than that, my back in east, so currently at Marcos Highway, and I'm telling you, it's not easy to drive this thing. I mean, it's a manual transmission motorcycle, so it's not very easy for me. This is my first time to use manual transmission, but so far still very awkward to me how to engage the clutch, the throttle, and the gear lever on the left foot. So everything should be like fully synchronized and work harmoniously, should I say, to avoid those jerky and bumpy rides. This is terrible. Currently we are almost in the inside. All of this scooter on city and traffic like this can really go way ahead. They are much easier to drive. That's what I can tell you for sure. And this aside from being so heavy, I'm having some difficulty as well driving it, because with the unfamiliarity with all the gears that are involved, and it should work in sync. I mean, all of the throttle, the clutch, the gears should be like on one stop. I mean, yes, on a car it's easy because you know it. You've been like doing it for a long time, but on a motorcycle like this, it's not. I can tell you, it's not. It's my first time to ride like this, so I'm having a lot of pressure, especially on the road, because you don't want to make mistakes, right? You don't want to accidentally hit, you know, downshift instead of upshift when accelerating, right? All those are really necessary and important when riding, and not to mention it's safety as well, right? I mean, anything can go wrong, and you can easily crash or, you know, break your motorcycle, right? Okay, not to mention in tight spot like this one, where you need to go to the side of the road. Remember, I have like 19 inch of wheels, which is really very narrow in gaps like this one. So it's really necessary necessary to know where you're going, or be familiar with how this thing works in on the traffic.